This is all I'm going to use, hacksaw blade. And see, the end has been cut off. See there? That's because this used to stick out that much further. I usually use this to remove electrical outlet boxes and stuff like that, and I'll cut, when I get a dull tip, I just cut it off, and this is still long enough for me to hold on to and use it as a saw. Now if I didn't have this, what else could I have used? I could have used a Sawzall, right? Something like that. But this is going to work just fine. I can lift up on it. There. Okay. One down. One more to go. And how can I do this next one? I think I can leave you right there and cut this one. Okay, you just have to bear with me if my hand gets in your way. I'm gonna go right there, and I'm gonna take my drywall knife. See, I just poked it in there. Right on that line. Okay. Now I can lift it up. Okay, and you're going to see what I see as I pull that out of there. Okay, let's get you back. Let's get you back here. Okay, no joke. I'm just going to keep the camera rolling for right now. And I initially had pulled the cover off. Initially pulled the cover off to see how much was in there. Okay, so I cleaned out that much from before. That's all I could reach. See, and look, you see there? That's stuff on that end. And look how this one's all falling apart. Okay, so lucky for me, I got more duct tape. So when I get all that cleaned out, I'll dry it out on the outside edge and do what I have to do, put all that back together. Okay, and now I can pull this pipe. I can pull this pipe out of here. See there? See, it's filled up about 5/8 or so. And this one, look at that. Look at that. And this one felt pretty heavy to begin with. Now I just have to remember when I pull it out what end is which, and that kind of thing. Okay? All right. So I'm just going to pull it out now. That had some stuff that came out of it already. And I could do it on the lawn. This lawn, we're just putting more water to it and stuff. We just got done with the winter, with the snows and everything, and this is just what your grass is going to look like. you know, in the spring, before you start putting water to it, we had to turn our water sprinklers off, and we left them off all winter. And there's a certain way to do it. You got this big valve here. You got your main water that goes down 32 inches. Then you got other 2 valves over here to turn this on and to drain the system and all that kind of stuff. You got to do that every before winter and after winter, you know. And so now let's just keep the camera going. Now I have to get this other pipe out of there. Which way to pull? Okay, look at that. Now I got them. Now it's just a matter of hitting them, slamming them down on the ground and all that. I got to remember that the short piece, that end is over there. This long piece, that end is for over there. And then that. You see there? You know, now I can clean up the dirt, the high spot where I see the high spot. I can look through those areas and see where roots are. It had a little bit of sludge in the bottom of it that came out. I can clear this out, any low spots fill in, any high spots to dig out. I can do all that prep work, and then I've got to work on this, get this all cleaned out. You know, I'll get it. It's just going to take me a while. Ooh. You know, I got to work a little smarter than that. I'm gonna take these pipes over in the dirt area, so I'm gonna make sure I got a couple flat spots here that I can work with and start beating on this over here, so I can get all this stuff out over here. That way I don't have to clean it up on the grass, because I know there's quite a bit of stuff in here. Okay, that I'll show you next.